Hey guys, it's us again. Back again. If you ain't know, it's Shantae and Twiggy. What's up? Yeah. If you guys want to see us do her voiceover in her next video, comment down below. Comment down below. You know us. You should share the link, Jess.
What link?
From our old video. You told me why.
Wait, what?
Live. You told me why. Bye. Bye.
Hey beauties, it is me, your favorite girl, your favorite quarantine babe, your favorite, I don't even know, Jessica Nicole. I am bored, so I decided to play in makeup today. This is what I came up with. So yeah, I ain't got much to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before we get into the video, y'all know what I want to do. I want to shout out my gang because I love y'all so much. You guys are amazing. I love y'all just as much as you love me, probably even more. You feel me? But yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias and stay safe. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with absolutely nothing on the face. I'm looking a hot mess. Forgive me, please. I'm gonna go straight into doing my brows and my eyes. So to carve out my brows, I'm using my micro brow pencil from Morphe, and this color is in Java. I'm just using this to outline the bottom of my brow. I do not do the top of my brow until I am finished with my base. To clean up the bottom of my brows and to prime my eyelids, I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the color Almond. So after priming one eye, I decided that I don't know what look I'm planning to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Eye is primed, got a lot of concealer on there. Today's palettes, I went back into two palettes that I used in a previous video, and it is these two, my Jackie Aina and Amrezy palettes. I kind of like how the two cohere with each other. So alright, so first things first, we're going to start off with the crease. I started off with Pinker from the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease. First, I'm just going to tap it down. And I'm actually bringing it all the way into the inner corner, all the way to the outer corner before I start blending it out. Then I'm going to go ahead with my M433, and I'm going to go into Supreme from the Jackie Aina palette. I'm just going to blend that outside of Pinker out. I'm really going to build up that pink color. So instead of me going back in with my crease color, I'm going to go ahead and deepen the crease, and I'm going to use Credit from the Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to make sure I dab that on the inner corner of the eye, the outer corner of the eye, and blend in that crease. I'm actually not going to blend out the edges of this. I'm just going to blend this into the crease. I'm going to go back in with my previous brush, and I'm going to blend out the harsh edges of Credit. And I'm using the color Pinker again to go over Credit and blend that color out. And then following with Supreme just to blend that out. Alright, so instead of me going ahead and intensifying those outside colors, what I'm going to do is focus on the center of the eye and then go back in and intensify the outside. I'm going to go ahead and just tap in the center of the eye, bringing it up high and just blending out the sides. You don't have to blend out the center of your eye. I like to because it intensifies whatever shade I'm using. And don't be upset if you go outside of wherever you're doing it, because you're going to go back in with shadow and blend out those areas. So I'm going in with the brush that I use to apply my concealer as my lid base. I'm just blending in that concealer. I'm going to go back in with credit now that everything's blended out with my M506, and I'm going to tap credit in that inner corner and in that outer corner. And I'm kind of like dragging it up in a little motion towards my crease. I'm going to go in with pinker. I'm going to tap that right next to it in the center. And follow with the same brush in Supreme, and I'm just tapping that right next to it, kind of on top, just to blend that into the center. Now, if you go too far into the center, don't worry, because you're going to be putting down your lid shade. I'm going to go off my lid brush, which is the JH41. I'm going to pick up the color Anastasia in the Amrezy palette, and I'm going to tap that right in the center. And just drag it out. Again, don't worry if anything gets covered, because you're going to go back in with some colors and blend things out. I follow with the color Barb from the palette on the same brush. I'm just going to tap that on top. I'm going to go with my M507, and I'm going to mix Supreme and Pinker, and I'm just going to blend that on the outside of the center shade. Gonna take my M507, just blend this little area a little bit. My M506. Alright, gonna move on to my wing. I don't know if I made this seem easier than it is. I apologize, because it's really not. It's a lot of blending back and forth. But I'm gonna go in with my Morphe gel liner in Jet and my MAC 210 brush, and I'm going to create a wing. Super Beauty, I'm going to go on with their teal Hydroliner and the Super Beauty brush, the 610 brush, and just create a line on top of that wing. So now that my eyes are on, they look even for the most part. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation routine. You guys can watch, but I'm just going to quickly go through it on camera. I'm not going to go through the whole tutorial. So yeah, I'll be right back. Go ahead and finish off my eyes and pop on my lashes and finish off my face, of course. So let's go ahead and finish off these eyes. You guys know I love black in my waterline. I feel like I don't like my eyes to be opened up too wide, so I'm gonna go ahead with this Morphe pencil and lights out and just line my waterline. I'm not gonna put too much. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my M213. I'm gonna go into the K and Amrezy palette, which is the black, and I'm just gonna blend out that liner pencil. I'm gonna go into Miss Jackie's palette. I'm gonna go in with Pinker. and blend that underneath and into that black shadow. Go ahead and use Leo and put that in my inner corner. Same 213 brush, I just cleaned off the black shadow off of it. Lashes is on. Let's go ahead and finish up the face. We're gonna bronze this baby up with my Morphe bronzer and phenom or phenom. For highlight today, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner highlighter. I forgot how these are. Woo child, I forgot how these things are. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot how great CoverGirl's highlighters were. Alright, so I'm gonna do my lips now. You guys know what pencil this is. This is vybz. Lime Crimes Prairie liquid lip. Hopefully I like this. I don't think I like this. I think this is too pink for this look. Hold on, let's see. And Morphe's gloss in frosè, which is my favorite Morphe gloss, by the way. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. With these braids up, this is cute. What y'all think? I didn't want to put two braids in the middle. I kind of wanted to look like this. Anyway, this is the finished look. I'm happy that I have something like makeup and YouTube to occupy my time, and I'm happy that I'm able to put videos out for you guys to occupy your time. Hopefully soon I can get this couples channel going and I'll give you some more videos to occupy your time. But I hope you guys are staying safe, staying quarantined. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and I'll see y'all in the next one.